beautiful viewers, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show us how to style this beautiful head scarf in a side braided head wrap, or you can as well call it a chain side head wrap. So let's get started. Firstly, just try to bring your scarf towards the front part and make a cross and make a tight knot just to frame, not too loose, and a continuous process by giving it a tight knot and also cross. We continue with a crease cross and a tight knot, a crease cross and a tight knot. So you keep on with this till you get to the tip, and when you feel it a bit shorting to get to the back side, then you stop, cross it and also tie, cross and tie, squeeze, cross and a tight knot. And that's all. Then you adjust and pull it to either the left hand side or the right hand side, depends on where you start your tight from. So tuck it in and that's all. And if there's any adjustment that you feel, you know, you just tuck it in. What do you think of this video? Let me know. I would like to know what you feel. And please, if you like this video, to share with your loved ones, dinners, returning subscribers, new subscribers. You know I love and appreciate you all. Thanks for always keeping up with your girl. See you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.